Hello everyone, my name is Michael Journey from Intelligent Studios and welcome to the next tutorial guide. Today we take a look at Excel functions in Monday.com. First, we start with concatenation. Concatenation of strings simply or text. Simply concatenate those texts to one text. Basically what you can see here, we have item name, text 1, text 2, and here you can see a result. Result column is a simple formula column, and in it you can see a function concatenate, then attribute name or column name, column text 1, column text 2, divided by spaces. The next one is summarization. As you can see, we have here number 1, number 2 column, and then result 1, result 2. Those results are equal because we use just a different formula in those results. The first one is using just a simple plus. So you can see number 1 plus number 2 and you get the result. The second one is formula using sum function. So sum, then as attributes we got number 1 and number 2. Next one is match function. As you can see here, we have text column 1, text column 2, and then a result in match column, which is again formula. As you can see, we have here results no match or match based on if it matched or not. If I open the formula, we use exact function which returns true or false if text 1 is the same or like text 2, and simple if they are matched, and then we return matched, otherwise we return no match. Next function is days and hours difference. Here, as you can see, we have day 1 column and day 2 column. Date difference is again formula column where you can simply add days and it returns for you difference between date 2 and date 1. You can see a result here. Hour difference is pretty the same. You can set, you can add a column called hours, and then you fill the hours in column 1, column 2, and then in formula column you just use hours underscore diff, and then you get the result. So again, attributes into the function, and then you can simply see the result. The last one is duplicity check. Duplicity check here is configured based on connected columns, and the connected columns is connected to the same column we got here. So Excel function is connected to Excel function. Basically, we can see here all items I got here. For checking the duplicity, I use match automations. And when you go to automation, into templates, you can type match, and you can see those 3 automations. So if one column changes, then connect the item where the new value matches this column in another board by this logic. Another board for us means same logic, and I will show you how the automations are set. So basically when text changes, connect the item where the new value matches text 1 in our board Excel functions by overwriting new matched item. Basically what it does, whenever I create a new item, for example 10, and I fill text 1, for example text 1, the automation check the board items and match the item. As you can see, it's highlighted just because it's filled. And if you would like to remove this item, it's really simple. For that, we can use automations when duplicity check, change, and if duplicity check is not empty, delete item. Simple as that. All right, that's all for today. If you like the video, please like the video or subscribe for the next guide. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.